I have wanted to ride one of these things forever. Oh, I can feel the seat. My plums are warm. Just get the Big Daddy. Such a good looking bike. Alright guys, I'm just going to get on it and we'll talk soon. Oh, that sounds nice. I have wanted to ride one of these things forever. This is my first time on a 1250 GS. It's the first time on any modern GS and I'm super stoked. I do want one. It's something I've always wanted. Whether it's for me or not, I guess we'll find out on this. This is literally the first time I've ever been on one. So far, very first impressions after just starting it and rolling out here. I love how it sounds. The guy was saying it's like the lowest. I have it in dynamic mode, so it should be adjusting the suspension automatically. He was saying that it's the lowest setup that it can go. And it is definitely quite a bit. Like, I can flat foot both feet, which I definitely cannot do on my bike. I don't know if these traffic lights are going to go or if it's going to be a pain. Fuck, I'm just going to go. I do feel like the seat needs to be higher for me. Oh man, it feels so different. Wow. Obviously, because this one has a smaller front wheel. What is it, 19-inch front wheel? Where my bike has a 21-inch, so it's going to feel a little bit more agile. But quick shifter seems quite clunky. I mean, the bike is very cold right now, so we won't fully judge that just yet. Oh man, it feels so crazy. Unbelievable. Alright. Let's get this bad boy out in the motorway. She's warm. Oh, I can't get over the lean. You'll have to excuse my shoddy riding while I get used to this bike. Oh, the torque is crazy. Very smooth. I think honestly, ever since I was a younger man, and I saw Ewan McGregor and Charlie Borman ride around the world on their GS's, I just always wanted one of these, and they've just gotten cooler and cooler looking as time goes on, up until this point, the 2023, which I really love. I know there's a new one coming, and I've seen all the, like, you know, teaser photos and stuff, and honestly, from what I can tell, I prefer to look at this one, but I mean, you can't really tell from like teaser photos, you never can. It's obviously very wide, you know, and I can see this is going to hurt like fuck if I hit my shin on that engine. But it's just blowing my mind how short it feels. I think it may be set up with like shorter suspension, and the seat is, I know the seat looks like it's in the lower position. I've got the windscreen all the way up. You guys will have to excuse me, I think, because this is going to be a little bit sporadic. My ADHD is going full tit right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely can feel the punch. It's definitely not slow. And downshift is smooth. I think it was the upshifts from first to second. It could be because it's cold, but we'll try it now anyway. Once we get going here. Yeah, see, down is smooth. Now that the bike's warm, maybe it'll be smoother. Throttle is really smooth. I'm not getting as much of that, like, I remember when I rode the Triumph, the 1200 Tiger, I noticed the shaft drive was kind of a little bit clunky. Like you could really feel it when it was engaging. The screen is amazing. It's not huge, but it's not small. It's like perfectly sized and really, really clear. The heated grips are really nice. I have heated grips on my bike, obviously, although this one I believe has a heated seat as well. Yep. The controls are really intuitive. I've never used these before, but they feel really nice. Like it's just an intelligent design, I think. I think my bike is faster, definitely. But this one is smoother, and the low down power feels really nice and really smooth. Like it feels more like a car engine. You can just chug it along pretty greasy roads at the moment. It's very cold as well. The clutch is really nice, really easy pull, really nice brake. I think when you're paying $40,000 for a bike, there's not going to be a lot to complain about. Oh, I can feel the seat. My plums are warm. Let me turn that down. Man, that's only on 2, goes up to 5. That would be some roasting chestnuts. Oh yeah, I really like the power. It's just so remarkably different to my bike. Not unexpected. I think it's the bike in general is surprising me. You know? Oh, nice little exhaust pops. Very easy to handle at low speeds. Let's stop and have a look. Oh, such a good looking bike. Such a good looking bike. I love the headlight. Really nice headlight. This is the triple black 1250 model. I don't know what to say, honestly, guys. This isn't a review. I'm just had the opportunity unexpectedly to take one of these for a ride, and I have my new camera, so am I going to say no? I mean, come on. Oh, it sounds so good. Yeah, I don't know. First impressions, guys. 2023 triple black 1250. I'm going to start heading back, give some more riding impressions on the way. I just want it higher. I want a taller screen. And yeah, I want to know more about that quick shifter, whether it's like tunable or whatever. Anyway, let's go. It probably surprised a lot of you to know that BMW dealers didn't sell motorbikes until now in New Zealand. You know, they were always, like I said, in the other dealerships. Cycle Spa, Experience Motorcycles. I think Experience still sell them. Anyway, this video is just me full of fucking rambling. Let me summarize my first impressions on this motorcycle. And I would be getting a GSA if I got a GS. I don't see the point in just half-assing it. Just get the Big Daddy. Very smooth, although quick shifter could be smoother. Very, very easy to handle once it's going, once you're moving. Heavy otherwise. Very torquey engine. The gearbox is really smooth, generally speaking. Oh, gotta remember how wide this thing is. But also how easy it is to handle. Maybe it's because I'm turning 40 in like a month. But I prefer how this bike looks over my one. I think it's just one of those childhood dreams, you know. When you're really pinning it, the quick shift is not as rough. And in the high gear, like going from 5th to 6th there, smooth as. So a couple more things. I just got off the motorway and I had to comment. Firstly, the standing position is really, really nice. And also the anti-dive braking, the front brakes, that's really nice. I didn't really, you know, realize it was doing it until now, and I've kind of like stopped quicker. Here we are, guys. Continental Cars, BMW, and then Continental Motorrad over there. Like I said, they didn't know I was making a video, and I wasn't planning on it, but I have to appreciate them and thank them for letting me ride it in the first place. Finally turning 40 next year, and I finally had the chance to ride a GS 1250. Make life a ride. See you guys later.